You're wondering, what is the 3DEXPERIENCE platform on the cloud? The 3DEXPERIENCE platform on the cloud is a suite of solutions to bring your ideas to life. It's a collection of tools to help you design, simulate, collaborate, and so much more. From planning through engineering, all the way to manufacturing. Quick start and ready to use. That scales easily as your business grows. Afraid the 3DEXPERIENCE is not a good fit for your company size? But that's the benefit of being on the cloud. You only pay for what you use. Our platform doesn't require an army of engineers or a colossal IT budget. With everything available on the cloud, deployment happens instantly. And there are no maintenance and upgrade costs. That's more money to invest in your business. And when your business grows, the 3DEXPERIENCE platform on the cloud will be there to scale up with you. Not sure your teams are ready to start using our platform? It's not always easy to change the way you work, but rest assured, the 3DEXPERIENCE platform on the cloud uses simple, consistent UX design that's accessible to anyone. We include clear and complete e-learning modules so you can master the tools with ease. And 24/7 personalized support and expert consulting, just in case. Are you worried about a web-based platform's security level? The 3DEXPERIENCE platform on the cloud is entirely protected at all layers. IaaS, SaaS, and PaaS. Your data is available from anywhere, but not to anyone. As all of your data is stored on this secured cloud, no stray copies of your IP sitting on local drives, adhering to the highest ISO and OWASP standards. Are you bootstrapping? Not sure you can afford the 3DEXPERIENCE platform on the cloud? Dassault System believes in startup success. Our startup offer is made for you. When you're building something new, when growth is about exploring options and taking risks, we invest in your success with affordable access to industry-leading solutions right from the start.